Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we've got this G-Series M550i in for a REMUS exhaust upgrade. So we haven't done one of these as of yet. This is the first time we're installing a REMUS exhaust on one of these, so we're really interested to hear what it sounds like. So we're going to be installing the full REMUS system from the GPF back. So it's one of the loudest systems that they make. Still has a rear silencer in the back with the valve controllers, and also the customer's going for the black chrome tips as well. So it's going to be a nice little aesthetic upgrade at the back, as well as an exhaust tone as well. Now this car doesn't sound too bad from the factory, so we're really interested to see what it sounds like after we fit the REMUS to give it a little bit more volume, a little bit better tone as well. So obviously if you haven't subscribed to us already, then make sure you're subscribed. But for now, let's get the car in the workshop and let's install the exhaust system. Then at the end of the video, we'll show you the befores and afters. So let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.